Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Hub. Today we will discuss about 43 new faces of Modi Cabinet 2.0, out of which 15 are cabinet ministers and 28 are minister of states. So first cabinet minister is Narayan Rane, minister of micro, small and medium enterprises. Second one is Sarbanand Sonowal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, plus Minister of Ayush. Next is Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next is Jyotiraditya Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation. Next is Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel. Next is Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways plus Minister of Communications plus Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Next is Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industries. Next is Kiren Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice. Next one is Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power and plus Minister of New and Renewable Energy. Next is Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas plus Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next is Mansukh Mandaviya, Minister of Health and Family Welfare plus Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Next is Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change plus Minister of Labour and Employment. Next is Parshottam Rupala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Next is G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture plus Minister of Tourism plus Minister of Development of North Eastern Region. Next is Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting plus Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Now 28 new Minister of States. First Minister of State is Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Next one is Anupriya Singh Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next is Satyapal Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice. Next is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Next is Shobha Karandlaje, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Next is Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Next is Darshana Vikram Jardosh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. Next is Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. Next is Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Next is A. Narayana Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next is Kaushal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next is Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defense plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Next is B.L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Cooperation. Next is Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Next one is Devu Sen Chauhan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communications. Next one is Bhagwant Khuba, Minister of State in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Next is Kapil Moreshwas Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Next is Pratima Bhomik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next is Subhas Sarkar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Next is Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Next is Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Next is Bharati Praveen Pawar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next is Vishweswar Tudu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next is Shantanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Next is Munjapara Mahindra Bhai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush. Next is John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Next is Dr. L. Murugan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Next plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Next is Nisit Pramanik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs plus Minister of State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you like my video.